Oh my God. First day of December. Last night we stayed up so late last night because we were waiting for some few things to drop in the online space. I'm always looking for ways to automate our online business that we're running at the moment, which is the $10 membership. But while we're waiting for that, I was also waiting for one of our boss lady, one of our boss mama all the way from Samoa. She is the first one in our team, Samoa, who hit silver, I mean, not silver, gold, my gosh, gold leader in our company. And for those who don't know what gold is, it means that you have over 100 affiliates or business partners or members in your team. We're building big here, and for this boss lady, she lives in Samoa. She runs a bakery. She makes like cakes and just yummy desserts for events. She's a very busy lady, but I've seen her growth. I've seen her. She's a silent achiever. She's not loud like most of us, and I've seen her growth, and she branch out. Like she was branching out to different countries, and I love how she works. Like she wants to plant, her business in New Zealand, USA, American Samoa, and also helping a lot of our people in our beautiful Samoa start their own journey, and to see her hit gold, and she's got like 110, could be more than that number. That was last night when we logged out. She's got 110 people in her team. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What a great way. We definitely ended November with a bang, man. Team Freedom is on fire. And what a great way to start off the new month. And it's the last month of the year. I believe that December is the most busiest time of the year, but I also believe that it's the best time of the year to start something new, to start a new journey, and we're not asking for more. It only costs you 50 USD to start your journey. Linda said yes to this opportunity a few months ago. And a lot of us will make the decision now. Okay, no, we have to promote and we have to find people. Look, I don't know that many people. It's not going to work for me. But look at where she is now. She doesn't have to do it all by herself. She started sharing it with a few people who shared it with more people, and together they build a community. More than 100 people in the team. They're excited. They're celebrating. We're all excited. We're celebrating. We're so happy. Oh, and it's double payday this week. It's the last double payday for this year, and it's going to be big for some of us who have worked so hard in the last month to build our business. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's crazy. It's so exciting. So I'm in the city right now, heading to the 9 to 5 job, but just wanted to leave this here with you guys. So if you ever come across this video and you're still sitting on the fence, thinking that you don't know much people, that you don't know, that you can't do it, look, if a busy boss mama who runs a traditional business, lives in Samoa, can do this and can branch out, on like different countries all over the world. Why can't you? What is your excuse? Excuses are the only way, the only things that's holding you back. Actually, it's you. You're holding you back from, starting your own journey. So God bless you all. Congratulations, Sister Linda and your team, and amazing work to your upline and Adiva. Oh, that's just so amazing. So, love you all. Thank you. Reach out if you do need. If you want to join, if you're ready. Okay. Have a good day.